First of all, we have x1, x2, x3, xn with a frequency f1, f2, f3, etc. What do you mean by that? This x1 is repeated f1 times. This x2 is repeated f2 times. x3 is repeated f3 times. xn is repeated fn times. So total number of observation would be f1 plus f2 plus f3. That is your sigma fi. Then for calculating the arithmetic mean, we need to add all the observation and divide by the number of observation. Because x1 is repeated f1 times, naturally x1 need to be added f1 times, which is nothing but x1 into f1. x2 is repeated f2 times, so the total number of x2 will be x2 into f2. Like that, this sum of all this will give me the total observation. So total sum of the observation is sigma xi fi. That is divided by total number of observation will give you the arithmetic mean. Now to calculate the standard deviation, I need the sum of the square of the observation. So naturally square this observation and multiply with the number of times it repeated. Same as square x2 and multiply with the number of observation. So that's how you get the sum of the square of the observation. Instead of this n, I can write sigma fi. So sum of the square of the observation minus the arithmetic mean. Sigma xi fi upon sigma fi square, arithmetic mean square. This will be the formula for calculating the standard deviation when there is a frequency. Is that clear to everybody? Is the formula clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the first part of the formula? Average of the square of the observation. You square the observation and find its average. Minus, what is this one?
This is the
Average square, arithmetic mean square. When I say average, arithmetic mean square. Sum of the squares, arithmetic mean, minus sum of the, that is observations arithmetic mean. You minus it, then take the square root, you will get standard deviation. Observe the formula properly, then you will not forget the formula. So if there's a frequency, only thing that you have to do is multiply each of the xi with the frequency. So that's why fi will come, and number of observations is sum of the frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's practice one problem. All of you ready? Okay. Question number. We'll do question number 3. Did I do any question on this? No. Okay. Question number 4. I'll do question number 4. Question number 3. Did I do in the class? What was the last problem I did in the class? Can you tell me? Okay, just check this. Xi fi 2, 4, 6, 8. Did I do this?
No, sir.
No.
14, 16, 18, 20. The frequencies are 8, 10, 10, 7, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2, 6. Can you please write down the data? Okay. So make 2 columns. One is xi, then fi, then xi fi, then xi square fi. First is 2 with frequency 8, 4 with the frequency 10, 6 with the 10, 8 with the 7, 10 with the 6, 12 with 4, 14 with the 3, 16 with 4, 18 with the 2, and 20 with 6. Okay, multiply and write the answer. Xi into that. Do you understand the meaning of this? 2 is repeated how many times?
8 times.
8 times. So instead of adding 2 8 times, 2 into 8, 16. I hope you understood this Xi Fi.
Yes, sir.
40, 60, 56, 60, 48, 42, 64, 36, 120. Add this, add this. Total number of observations you must calculate. How many observations are there? Some of these are 2 is repeated 8 times, 4 is repeated 10 times. So total number of observations is 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. This will be total observation. Can you please calculate yourself?
So Fi should be 60 and Xi Fi should be 542.
542. Now square sum of the square. You are supposed to do this. Square all elements. Like this, you have to square it and add. Then 4 square, like this, you're supposed to do the 10 times. So what we'll do, square this and multiply with 8. So 4 into 8, 32. 16 into 10. Can you do it yourself? Please do it yourself. Square the observation and multiply by the frequency. Check yours, this calculation. Any difference, let me know. Sum of the square of the observation multiplied by the frequency. Did anybody complete the calculation?
1 second, sir.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time.
Yes, sir. Your calculations are matching with mine.
Yeah, the final calculation. Yes, Chirag has given me the answer. Kevil has given me the answer. Can I write the answer?
6836.
68. Yes, Bhaibhav, 6836. Now you will get right mean x bar. Sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. So 542 divided by 60. So 542 divided by 6. So 90.3. Yeah, 9.03. Because 90.3 divided by 10 give you 9.03. Then standard deviation or variance, will say variance, because we have to calculate the variance. No? Variance of x is sigma xi square fi upon sigma fi minus x bar square, which is 6836 divided by 60 minus 9.03 square. Six eight six three divided by 6. 1. 23 is 18. 56 is 9. 20 means 3. So this 113.93. So 113.93 minus 9.03 square. Yes, who has given me the answer? Yes, Kevil. 113.93. Now 113.93 minus 9.03 square. 9 square is 81. So 81.54. Acha. Viva was written final answer. So that will give you 32.83891. So I'll write 39. 195. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation is root of variance. The root of 32.39. That must be 5 point something. 5.69. I have written the answers what students have given me.